It's Monday, August 23rd, 2021. It's probably about quarter to 10 a.m. by now. Bullhead City, Arizona time. This is a follow-up video on our grocery getters pile, P-Y-L-E, P-L-O-R-U 84 or 869, I believe that says there. 869. I had thought that I had a theory that the antenna wire cable wasn't connected, because every time we turn this on we get this. It'll pop up there. No matter what station it's on, and it don't find stations, we can mute it. We'll tell it to scan. Where is the scan button here? There we go. Doesn't pick up anything. Alright, so that's it for this video, and that's it for the radio. We're taking it to a shop. We've already tried 4 different shops. One was $125 an hour until the job is done. We didn't go back there. Another one was some guy's house, but the house is abandoned. Supposed to be another kid calling us on Thursday and Saturday, never called. Alright, so that's it for this video, and we're going to have to do some more research.